Hello everyone! Today, I want to demonstrate what our product description generator template does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the product description generator. This tool generates a product description based on your input. It searches for all relevant information on Google, Reddit, YouTube, a URL, or any uploaded document. For example, if we simply give it the name FlowHunt, it will extract all the data there is on FlowHunt and write a thorough description about it. This tool can help many employees write product descriptions for the products on their website and make their lives easier. Thanks for watching.